Hello, my name is Dr. Navid Pooyan from Pooyan Blue Aesthetic. I believe hyaluronic acid dermal fillers are one of the biggest revolutions that happened in aesthetic industry, and it actually cut down many unnecessary surgical and invasive treatments for rejuvenation and anti-aging. Unfortunately, there are so many myths in social media these days that they're not evidence-based and backed up by science about long-term side effects of hyaluronic acid causing scars in long term, or you cannot do plastic surgery in future if you do hyaluronic acid, which none of them are true. And unfortunately, coming from plastic surgeons that they have conflict of interest in this matter. Hyaluronic acid is a natural protein that we have in our skin, and they're produced in labs under very strict standards and hygienic process, and that is why it's expensive. There are three factors that you should be aware of when you go for treatment with hyaluronic acid dermal filler to have a safe and perfect result. One of them is, and maybe the most important one, is that choosing your injector wisely. The injector should be an expert in hyaluronic acid dermal filler injections, and should know the anatomy very well, should know the side effects, should know the high risk areas, and how to do the injection properly with the proper techniques. The second is that, like everything else, hyaluronic acid dermal fillers in the market, they have different qualities. So you should go to a clinic that you trust, that they use the highest quality and the best brands in the market. And the third thing is that, again, goes back to the expertise of your injector. There are different types of hyaluronic acid dermal fillers actually that we use them for different purposes and different treatments in different areas. If to make it simple, I compare it, give an example, compare it to cars, for example. You do not use a fancy limo for moving. At the same time, you do not use a semi-truck or minivan to go a fancy event. So we use, for example, very soft, low G prime, high quality hyaluronic acid dermal filler for under eye filler. So we prevent swelling and lumpiness. At the same time, we use a thicker and high G prime hyaluronic acid for injection and revolumizing of, like, for example, cheek area, jaw contouring, because we want them to give volume and last properly. They keep their elasticity. To summarize, treatments with hyaluronic acid dermal fillers can achieve very natural and safe results, very non-invasively and non-surgically, if you consider these three factors.